Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to online class. Today we are going to learn 10th standard CBSE Maths Arithmetic Progress and Exercise 5.2. First question, in the textbook it is given in the tablet column. Now I converted into the question paper pattern. Okay. See the first one, if A equal to 7, D equal to 3, N equal to 8, find AN. AN means nth term of an AP, we need to find out. Okay. So A is represent first term and D is common difference. Okay. So number of terms, N is represent number of terms is equal to 8. So we need to find out AN. Okay. So we know that AN equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. What is the formula? AN equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Okay. Just substitute the value here. Here AN we are going to find. So AN equal to, here A value 7 plus N 8 minus 1 into D value 3. Okay. So AN equal to 7 plus 8 minus 1, 7. Okay. 7 3s are 21. So AN equal to 7 plus 21 you get 28. So this is the answer. Okay. I repeat this. So A, D and N is given. We need to find out AN. So AN equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Just substitute the value 7 plus 8 minus 1 into D value 3. Okay. So 8 minus 1 you get 7. 7 3s are 21. Okay. 7 plus 21 you get 28. You understand, children? See the next one. If A equal to minus 18, N equal to 10, AN equal to 0, find D. D means common difference. Okay, common difference we need to find out. Okay, so what is the formula you know, children? AN equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Okay, substitute the value. Here AN value is 0. So 0 equal to A value minus 18 plus N 10. So 10 minus 1 into D, because D we are going to find. Okay. So 0 equal to minus 18 plus 10 minus 1, 9. So 9D. Okay. Just transfer this letter, this number. Okay. So minus 18 will change other side, plus 18. Okay. 0 plus 18 what you will get, children? 18 only. Okay. So 18 equal to 9D. So we are going to find D. So D equal to 18 by 9, because multiplication will change other side, division. Okay. So 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18. So what is the answer? D equal to 2. Therefore the common difference is 2. See the next question. If D equal to minus 3, N equal to 18, AN equal to minus 5, find A. A represent first term we are going to find. Okay. So we know that AN equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Okay. Here AN equal to minus 5. So minus 5 equal to A we are going to find. So write it as it is. Okay. A plus, here N 18. So 18 minus 1 into D minus 3. Okay. So minus 5 equal to A plus 18 minus 1, you get 17. So 17 into minus 3. So minus 5 equal to A, here plus into minus, minus 17 3s are 51. Okay. So we are going to find A, just you keep it as it is, just this number alone you transfer. Okay. So subtractions will change other side, addition. So minus 5 plus 51. Okay, so minus 5 plus 51, the sign are different, so we have to subtract. Okay, so 51 minus 5, what you will get? 46. So therefore, A equal to 46. What is the answer? Therefore, A equal to 46. Do you understand, children? See the next question. In the following APs, find the missing terms. Find the missing terms in the boxes. Okay. See the question. 2, box, 26. So this value we are going to find. Okay. So the general form of an AP is general form of an AP is A, A plus D, A plus 2D, etc. Okay. So this is the general form of an AP. A, A plus D, A plus 2D. So this is first term. So A1. This is second term A2. The third term. This is third term. So A3. Okay. So A1 is equal to A to the second term we can write A plus D. Third term we can write A plus 2D. Okay. See here the first term is given A1, A2 we are going to find, this is A3. Okay. So what are the values are given here? The first term and the third term is given, we are going to find the second term. Okay. So A equal to 2. Next A3. Okay. A3 equal to, how can you write this A3? A plus 2D. Okay. So A plus 2D equal to 26. Okay. Here in this you substitute the A value. Okay. So substitute here 2 plus 2D equal to 26. Okay. 2D equal to 26 minus 2, because addition will change other side subtraction. Okay. So 2D equal to 26 minus 2, what you will get? 24. Okay. So D equal to 24 divided by 2, because multiplications will change other side division. So 2 ones are 2, 2 12s are 24. So D equal to 12. Okay. Next we need to find out the second term A2. What is the second term? We can write it as A plus D. Okay. So A2 equal to A plus D. Here what is the value of A? A equal to 2. So 2 plus D value 12. So 2 plus 12 what you will get? 14. Okay. So A2 equal to 14. You understand, children? See the next one. First term we are going to find, this is A1, this is A2, this is A3, this is A4. Okay. So what are the terms are given here? Second term and fourth term is given. We need to find out the first term and the third term. Okay, children. So A2, how can you write this A2? See here A2, A plus D. So A plus D equal to 30. This is first equation. Okay. And next A4, fourth term. Fourth term, how can you write this? A plus 3D equal to 3. This is second equation. Now I am going to solve these equations. What I am going to do? I am going to subtract this. While subtracting, I can able to cancel the A. So from using this, I can find D value. Okay, children. See here. Subtract equation 2 from 1. Okay. So write the first equation. A plus D equal to 13. A plus 3D equal to 3. Okay. Now I am going to subtract. So I have to change the sign of the second equation. Okay. Here positive is there. So negative minus also minus. Okay, so plus a minus a cancel. Okay, plus d minus 3d. Okay, so d means here coefficient is 1. Okay, so plus 1 minus 3, what you will get? Minus 2. So minus 2d equal to 13 minus 3. What you will get? 13 minus 3, 10. Okay, so d equal to 10 by minus 2. Okay, while divide this, what you will get? 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10. So okay, plus divided by minus, you get minus. So d equal to minus 5. What is the d value? Minus 5. Next, I am going to find a value. So here a value I want to find it. So the d value you substitute in the first equation, you can get the a value. Okay, so d equal to minus 5, substitute in equation 1. Okay, so equation 1 implies a plus d. Here d value minus 5. So minus 5 equal to 13. Okay, so a plus into minus, minus 5 equal to 13. So a equal to 13. The subtraction will change other side addition. Okay, so plus 5. So 13 plus 5, what you will get, children? 18. So the first term we found it. Okay, a1 equal to 18. Next we need to find out the third term. Okay, so third term, how can you write this? a3 equal to a plus 2d. What is that? A plus 2d. Okay, here you substitute here a equal to 18 plus 2 into d value. What is the d value, children? Minus 5. You substitute here minus 5. So 18, okay, plus into minus, minus 2 5s are 10. So 18 minus 10, what you will get, children? 8. So a3 equal to 8. Okay, so here the first term a1 equal to 18, a3 equal to 8. This is the answer. You understand, children? See the next question, fourth one. Which term of the AP 3, 8, 13, 18, etc. is 78? Okay, so we are going to find n. Okay, so here what are the things are given here? From this sequence we can able to find a value and d value. What is a? A is represent first term of the sequence. Okay, what is the common difference? How do you find the common difference, children? What is the formula? D equal to a2 minus a1. What is a2? Second term minus first term. Okay, so first what are the things are given here? A equal to 3, d we are going to find. What is the formula? a2 minus a1. a2 is represent second term minus a1 is first term. Okay, second term minus first term. Here what is the second term, children? 8. Okay, so 8 minus 3, what you will get? 5. So d equal to 5. Okay, here last term 78 is represent nth term of the AP. Okay, so an equal to 78. Okay, so we are going to find the terms. Okay, and we are going to find just this value you substitute in the formula. Okay, so we know that an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, here an equal to 78 equal to a value 3 plus n. So we are going to find, just you keep it as it is, n minus 1 into d. D value 5. Okay, so 78 equal to 3 plus 5 into n. 5 into n you get 5n, and 5 into minus n you get minus 5. Okay. Next 78 equal to here plus 3 minus 5. So different sign, what do you want to do? We have to subtract. Okay. So plus 3 minus 5, what you will get? Minus 2. So 5n minus 2. Okay. So n we are going to find, just you keep it as it is. Okay, 5n you keep it here. 78. This subtraction will change other side addition. So minus 2 will change plus 2. So 78 plus 2, what you will get? 80. Okay. So 80 equal to 5n. Next we are going to find n. Okay. So 5n equal to 80. n equal to 80 by 5. Because multiplication will change other side division. So 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are 5. The remaining 3, 0, 30, 6 times. Okay. 6 5s are 30. So n equal to 60. You understand, children? Next, question number 5. Find the number of terms. Find the number of terms in each of the following APs. Okay. So first subdivision 7, 13, 19, etc. 205. Okay. Here what are the things are given here? The first term is given A. Okay. And this is last term an. Nth term of an AP is given. Okay. So we can able to find the difference. We are going to find number of terms. Okay. So given A equal to 7, D equal to second term minus first term. So 30 minus 7 you get 6. D equal to 6. Then AN equal to 205. So we know that AN equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay. Here AN equal to 205 equal to A value 7 plus n minus 1 into D value 6. So 205 equal to 7 plus, multiply this 6 into n, 6n, 6 into minus 1, minus 6. So 205 equal to 7 minus 1, 7 minus 6. 7 minus 6, what you will get? 1. Okay. So 1 plus 6n. Okay. So 205, this additions will change other side subtraction. So here minus 1 equal to 6n. Okay. So 205 minus 1, what you will get? 204 equal to 6n. So we are going to find n. So 6n equal to 204, n equal to 204 by 6. Okay. 6 ones are 6, 6 threes are 18, remaining 2, 4 is there 24, in 24 4 times it occurs. So n equal to 34. Okay, children. See the next question, 6th one. Check whether minus 150 is a term of the AP. Okay. See the sequence 11, 8, 5, 2. Okay. From the sequence we can able to write A value and D value. Okay. So A equal to 11, D equal to second term minus first term. So A2 minus A1. Here A2 is 8. Okay. So 8 minus 11. What you will get? 8 minus 11, you get minus 3. Okay. Then AN equal to minus 150. Okay. So we know that AN equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay. Here you substitute the value A equal to 11. So 11 plus AN value minus 150 n minus 1 into d value minus 3. So minus 150 equal to 11 minus 3 into n, you get minus 3n, minus 3 into minus 10, you get plus 3. So minus 150 equal to 11 plus 3, okay, plus 11 plus 3. So what you will get? 14 minus 3n, okay. So the additions will change, other side subtraction. So minus 150 minus 14 equal to minus 3n, okay. So here both the number have same sign, so we need to add. Minus 150 minus 14, what you will get? Minus 164 equal to minus 3n, okay. So both the sides are negatives are there, so cancel this. Now what is remaining? 3n equal to 164. 3n equal to 164. So n equal to 164 by 3. Okay, if you divide this, you will get decimal point only, decimal value. Okay, so now here n is a fraction. So n should be an integer, but here n is a fraction. So minus 150 is not a term of this AP. Do you understand, children? So what solution will you write? N is a fraction. Therefore, minus 150 is not a term of this AP. You understand, children? N is a fraction, so that we are saying minus 150 is not a term of this AP. Thank you, children.